In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know how to start from a simple Google search, reach your Wix dashboard, open the site editor, and add an events calendar to your website. Keep your Wix login handy and make sure you're signed in to the correct account that owns the site you want to edit. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official result that reads Wix.com. Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. Verifying the URL is important. It should be Wix.com, so you know you're on the legitimate site. Click that result to continue. When the Wix page opens, sign in if you're prompted. After signing in, you'll land in your Wix dashboard at manage.wix.com. This is your control center for all your sites. If you manage multiple sites, confirm you're on the correct one by checking the site name or site thumbnail. From here, locate the option labeled Design Site or a similar button that opens the editor. Click it and give the editor a moment to load. Large sites or slower connections may take a bit longer, so be patient and avoid refreshing the page while it initializes. Once the Wix editor is open, look to the left-hand toolbar. Find the plus icon labeled Add. This panel is where you bring new elements into your pages, such as text, images, galleries, and apps. Click Add to open the panel. If your screen is zoomed in and you don't see it, try zooming out slightly or expanding the toolbar. Within the Add panel, locate Events Calendar. You can browse by category or use the search field at the top of the panel to quickly find it. Click Events Calendar to proceed. Depending on your site's setup, this may insert a calendar element directly onto your page or open a brief install or configuration window. If you're asked where to place it, choose the page or section that makes the most sense for your audience, like an events or home page. After it appears, you can drag the calendar to position it, use the handles to resize, and open its settings to customize the layout, colors, and how events display. If you already have events created in Wix, connect them here. If not, you can add them later right from the calendar settings. Preview your changes to ensure everything looks clean and accessible, and when you're satisfied, you're ready to continue editing or publish whenever it fits your workflow.